Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. My name is Alan with Try This DIY, and I wanted to tell you about this little button right here on your fan. I want to show you a little close-up. This fan actually has two settings. For the first setting, for mine, when it's down, it could be either side for you. The fan is actually going to blow cool air down into the room to help cool you off. If it's warm outside, this is what you want to help cool the room off. You can test this out. You can turn it on, and if you feel a draft, that means that your fan is blowing cool air down and trying to help cool the room off. So for your second setting, you're going to press it the other direction, whatever that is for you. And this is when it's cool outside, you have your heat running in your house, and as heat rises, what this fan will do when you turn it on is it'll actually help circulate that air back into the room to warm the room up. So just as a recap, setting 1 helps blow cool air down into your room to help cool you off. Setting 2 helps circulate warm air into the room to warm the room up itself. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, I'd love to know that. You can like and subscribe down below, and list any comments or questions you have down below. I'd love to help you out with that as well. Also, check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in your end screen, but I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.